With the principal, teachers and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to everyone. We hope you all are doing well. Let us begin today's morning assembly with positive thoughts and enthusiasm.
Prayer gives us peace, strength and positive thoughts. It helps us stay focused and thankful. A prayerful heart inspires us to be kind, honest and respectable. So now I invite my friends to say prayers. So please stand in attention position for this morning prayers.
What in heaven, hallowed by thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women. And now I invite my friend Advita to deliver a welcome speech. Good morning, respected principal, beloved teachers, and all my dear friends. A warm and cheerful welcome to each one of you. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all to today's morning assembly. A new day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and to achieve our goals. Let's begin this day with positive thoughts, respect, and discipline. Thank you.
Thank you Advita. The Bible, Bhagavad Gita and Quran teaches us love, peace, kind, honest and respect. Reading these holy books help us to build a good characters and inspires us to a good thing. So now I invite my friends to say holy gospels.
All the classes stand please. Good morning to everyone. A reading taken from the book of Bible. God promises to make something good out of the storm that brings devastation to your life.
Good morning everyone. The reading taken from the book of Holy Bhagavad Gita. As person puts on new garbage, giving up the old and similarly the sun accepts new materials bodies, giving up the old and unless one.
The reading taken from the book of Quran. If you love Allah, then follow me. Allah will love you and forgiving you, even for your sins. Allah is forgiving and all merciful. Thank you.
Thank you my dear friends.
Symbol of our country's pride and unity. It represents the freedom, independence of our nation. So, I invite our class leader Advita to hoist our national flag. Flag salute. Thank you, Advita.
I invite Krishna to lead us the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of history, my very heritage. I symbolize our school's identity, values and pride. It reminds us to be disciplined, honest, respectable and united. The school flag inspires us to uphold the good name of school through our words and actions. So, now I invite our class leader Tanvi to hoist our school flag.
Flag salute. Order.
Thank you, Tanvi.
Discussion helps us share ideas, learn from others and improve our thinking.
So, now we are welcome our classmates to perform a discussion on the topic of air and atmosphere. Good morning everyone. Today we are discuss about air and atmosphere.
Air is mixture of gases that surrounding the earth. It is invisible, but we can feel when it wind blows.
Air contains about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. The atmosphere is a blanket of gases around the earth. It protects our planet and makes life possible.
Oxygen is essential for breathing. Without oxygen, humans and animals cannot survive. Nitrogen helps us to grow plants, nutrients. It is important to agriculture.
Plants use carbon dioxide to prepare their food in the process of photosynthesis and release of oxygen into the air. We should plant more trees, use public transport, avoid burning plastic and waste, use clean fuels.
Ozone protects us. Harmful radiations maintains the Earth's temperature, supports weather and rainfall, makes life possible.
The atmosphere has 5 main layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Air pollution is the contamination of air by dust, smoke and harmful gases from vehicles, factories and burning waste. Air pollution causes breathing problems, global warming, climate change and damage for plants and animals. The stratosphere contains the ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful UV rays.
Air is a precious gift of nature. Let us keep our atmosphere clean and protect our environment for future generations. Thank you.
Today we present the Selfish Jane, a story written by Oscar Wilde. It teaches us that kindness and sharing that bring true happiness. Children enter the garden laughing and playing. What a beautiful garden! The flowers are blooming and the birds are singing. Let's play every afternoon. This is happiest place. Jane enters carrying a bag. Who are you? Why are you in my garden? We are only playing here. This is my garden. I don't want anyone here. Leave it once. We are sorry, sir. The Jane built high wall around the garden, put up a board that reads no trespassing. Now my garden belongs only to me. But something strange happened. Spring came every day except the Jane's garden. Winter enters. The garden belongs to me now. I will cover it with snow and ice. The trees had no leaves. The birds stopped singing and the flowers had disappeared. One morning, children quietly entered through a small hole in the wall. As soon as the children entered, the birds began to sing, the flowers are bloomed, and the trees turned green. Spring enters. Why does not spring come to my garden? Why is everything cold and silent? Where there is love, kindness, and lovers, I always come. Now I understand. My selfishness kept happiness away. The Jane walks to a little child who cannot climb a tree. I wish I could reach the branches. Don't worry, little one. Let me help you. Thank you. You are very kind. From today, this garden belongs to everyone. Children, come and play whenever you like. Thank you, Jane. We are so happy. From the day onwards, the garden full of flowers, birds, laughter, friendship and kindness. The Jane learning a lesson that true happiness comes from sharing with others. Sharing is caring, kindness brings joy. Never be selfish, let us spread love and happiness wherever we go. మారుతుంది పిల్లల నవ్వు, ప్రకృతి అందం, ప్రేమ ఇవే నిజమైన సంపదలు. ఈ కథ మనకు ఒక గొప్ప సందేశాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. ప్రేమను పంచండి, దయని చూపండి, స్వార్థాన్ని విడిచిపెట్టండి, అప్పుడు ప్రతి చోట వసంతమే విరుస్తుందని తెలియజేస్తూ ఇట్లు మీ 6వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులు. Thank you, my dear friends. Now I invite my friends to discuss about debate on the topic of force.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to speak on the topic force, the power behind in every movement. Force is a pull or a push that changes position, spread and directions or shape of an object. It is one of the most important complex in science because in every action around us involves force.
From the moment we wake up, we use force. Ride a bicycle, ride with a pen and even walk. Without force, none of these activities would be possible. Gravitational force. It pulls everything towards the earth because of the gravity. We can sit, stand or objects fall to the ground. Muscular force. We use our muscles to lift, pull, push or carry objects. Frictional force. It acts to surface. It helps us walk without sleeping, allows vehicles to stop safely with brakes. Magnetic force. Magnet attracts iron objects or used motors, speakers, electric bells. Electrostatic force. These force acts between electric charges. We can observe it when a rubber balloon attracts small pieces of paper. Force is useful in many fields. In sports, players use force to kick a football, hit a cricket ball, throw a javelin and lift weights. In agriculture, farmers use force while plowing fields and operating machines. In transport, cars, buses, ships and airplanes move because force acts on them. In industries, machines use force to produce goods. Even space rockets needs a very large force is called thrust a lever at surface. Force can also change the shape of objects. For example, freezing a stone, stretching a rubber band, pressing it can change their shape because of force. However, force must always be used responsibly. When used wisely, it makes life easier and helps in development. But when force is used carelessly, it can cause accidents, injuries or damage property. Therefore, we should always use force safely. Scientists such as Sir Isaac Newton explained how the force affects motion through the famous laws of motion. These laws help engineers design buildings, bridges, machines and even spacecraft.
In conclusion, force is everywhere. It helps us to move, play, work, travel, build and discover new things. Without force, life has been no. It would not exist. Let us understand its importance and use it wisely for progress of humanity. Thank you.
Now my friends going to discuss about specific names of the doctors. The doctor of the heart, cardiologist. The doctor of the skin, dermatologist. The doctor of the bone, orthopedist. The doctor of the brain, neurologist. The doctor of children, pediatrician. The doctor of teeth, dentist. The doctor of eyes, ophthalmologist. The doctor of the cancer, oncologist. The doctor of the surgery, surgeon. The doctor of the kidney, nephrologist. The doctor of the mind, psychiatrist. The doctor of the liver, hepatologist. The doctor of the women's health, gynecologist. The doctor of lungs, pulmonologist. The doctor of animals, veterinarian. The doctor of hormones, endocrinologist. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends.
I invite Advita to read today's headlines.
Government ready for debate on students. Indians to face higher HIV allied cost under new US rule. Legal structures pose major challenge in CMC. IIIT Delhi faculty member selected for NIAE Young Engineer Award 2026. Kaushik Reddy creates nonsense at 2BHK Patta Distribution Pro. NIST introduced 6 new Gen AI and AI learning programs. Students defeat barricade stage sit-in near assembly. Revenue admin gets 600 crores infra boost. BRS protects demolition of Sudarshan Reddy statue pedestal. Revant Reddy to visit Parakala on August 16. BJP warns government against changes to Vemulavada temple sector.
BJP protests over delay in Gannavaram road widening works. CBI sounds war cry against BJP calls for Chalo Delhi on September 1. CM Revanth Reddy offers Purnahutti at Varuna Yagam. TGSRTC drivers get 5 lakh insurance relief. Delhi's constitutional national GDP declines. Banks write offer of 10 lakh crores of large corporate loans. Quarterfinals dropped in major format K-Cup. Nagal boundary to lead India against South Korea. Punjab Assembly cap school fee hike at 5%. Snake bite 6 tribal girls sleeping on hostel floor, 3 died. DIIS poured 5.13 lakhs crores into equities as foreign flows waiver. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought. Life has no remote control. Get up and change it by yourself. Good morning to everyone. Today's thoughts. Happiness is not by chance but by choice. Good morning to everyone. Today's thoughts. Positive thinking will lead you to everything. Negative thinking will. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear friends. Lastly, I welcome my friend Nakshatra to say out of thanks.
Good morning everyone. On behalf of our school, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to everyone who made today's assembly meaningful and successful. Our sincere gratitude to respected principal, teachers and our staff members for their constant guidance and encouragement. A big thank you all of the students for maintaining discipline and participating attentively to the assembly. Let us carry today's life into our daily lives and continue growing, learning at our school time. Thank you all once again. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Nakshatra.
I am Nikilchan along with Chalanya to tell about important news of Sunday.
Guys, we today remember democracy needs humility, institutional accountability, and respect for dissent. One of the most serious concerns raised by the opposition relates to the functioning of institutions that are expected to operate independently. The Enforcement Directorate, Income Tax Department, Central of Investigation, and Election Commission have all faced questions regarding their functioning and perceived political pressures. The credibility of democratic institutions depend on public confidence in their neutrality. Allegations that investigate agencies are selectively used against political opponents must be addressed transparently. A new political move is taking shape in India. The recently formed Corporate Janata Party (SJP) has announced that it will function not as another electoral party but as a nationwide project group. Its stated focus is educational reform, youth aspirations, institutional accountability, and the everyday concerns of ordinary citizens, representing a generation that constitutes nearly 200 of India under 34 population. Such initiatives point towards a broader transformation in political participation. Thank you.
The New Sunday Express Business, The Viewpoint, India at 80, Growth, Jobs and the Road Ahead. As post-independence India turns 80, Women has well adopted the Olympics motto, Cities, Altius, Fortius, Community, or faster, higher, stronger and together. To pull the economy by its bootstraps, the Asian tiger aspires to be the world's third largest economy. But the growth miracle is missing. It's not that we need supernatural powers to turn water into wine or lead into gold, but we must get the right sectoral mix to create jobs and increase incomes. The task is neither simple nor easy, given the prevailing geopolitical tensions, volatile energy prices, supply chain disruptions, tariff wars, and above all with China and the US up to their neck for global dominance. In short, trouble is everywhere and like a dread mother-in-law, it could often show up unannounced, while the discomfort caused by an unwelcome guest is tolerable. The damage due to the polycrisis, where multiple independent shocks collide simultaneously or in succession, would be devastating. So, India needs to flex its biceps to ensure that not only growth picks up speed but also sustains the momentum. CASE, for a change despite early troubles, SEBI backs new price settlement system, even as it causes mayhem in markets. Crackdown. God asks Meta to restrict deepfakes AI-generated contents on its platforms. The center has asked social media major Meta to take cooperative measures against deepfakes and other harmful AI-generated content on its platforms, said a report. The government is also examining whether Meta continues to qualify as an intermediary under the Indian law, particularly in view of the role played by its recommendation systems in deciding what content users see. It may also seek a legal opinion on further action against the country after assessing the outcome of its recent meetings with Meta. Air India SAT strengthens Ranchi's cargo operations. Air India SAT's Airport Service Private Limited AISATS has reported a strong year of growth at the Ranchi Air Cargo Terminal, handling 7,992 metric tons empty of cargo in FY26, reflecting a 9% YoY increase. The announcement was made during a trade roadshow organized by the company in the city, bringing together key stakeholders from the region's air cargo ecosystem since commencing operations at the terminal in 2024. AISATS has handled more than 20,000 MT of cargo, highlighting Ranchi's growing importance as a key air cargo hub in eastern India. The company is targeting a further 10% growth in cargo volumes in FY27, driven by increasing. Virtue on mission to position India as the world's leading superlayer of AI native engineering. Virtue, an AI native talent transformation platform, hosted a first of its kind educational summit in the city, titled AI Academy and a Box National Summit on the future of Indian engineering education in the age of AI. This event saw the participation of leaders from 40 institutions from across India. JLL announces its new MD for Bengaluru facility. With nearly 20 years of commercial real estate expertise, Nishant Kabra will lead JLL's operations across all business lines in Bengaluru.
Spirit of for gig workers. Right of gig workers should be protected as most of them still lack health insurance, pay leave and maternity benefits. Even the government's efforts to ensure welfare and security. According to NITI Aayog, there are around 80 lakh gig workers in the country and about 39% of them earn between Rs 10,000 and Rs 25,000 a month, while 34% get Rs 25,000, Rs 40,000. Despite the limitations, India deserves credit for being among the first developing countries to recognize gig workers under the Code on Social Security 2020. However, implementation has lagged legislative intent. Though a policy framework exists, universal coverage has not materialized. To balance innovation with worker welfare, there is a need to implement the social security provisions of the Code on Social Security without further delay.
The Sunday Express Sports. Wrestlers face visa issues ahead of U20 World Championships. Indian wrestlers selected for the U20 World Champions scheduled in Bratislava, Slovakia from August 16 to 23 are facing prospects of missing out on the tournament due to visa issues. Despite seeking an appointment for visas on July 21, the wrestlers, their support staff and 3 referees have yet not been given a date to start the process. Defenses will new events like World Cup. Fulton, South African, who took over as chief coach of the men's side of the 2023 World Cup, is hoping for a strong run. In a freewheeling chat with Swarab Swaminathan, he explains the team's mantra, press, counter, perform, that will power the Indian team. Padikkal secures number 3 spot ahead of the Solidarity warm-up fixture against the Sri Lanka Cricket 11. Most of the talks center around India's number 3, especially with B. Sai Sudarshan unable to recover from toe injury he sustained during India a tour of the island nation. Devdutt Padikkal was the front-runner to replace Sai Sudarshan if the latter doesn't get fit in time. Kutappa pleased with signs of improvement. Durand Cup, Shillong win 5-0, led Group E, Shillong. Everbringston, Sana struck a brace as Shillong Lajong FC cruised to a commanding 5-0 win over Mumbai FC in a Group E, fixture of a Durand Cup. Apart from Sana, the other scores were Abhay Durand, Tremiki Lumarong and Fego Singal. The win extends Shillong Lajong's perfect start to the champion and leaves them well placed at the top of Group E with the group stage still to conclude. For Mumbai FC, the task now is to regroup quickly without their injured captain. Ashish bags U20 World Silver Medal. India Javelin has not been consistent this year. There have been instances when throwers did not breach Glasgow Commonwealth Games mark 82.61 meter until the Federation Cup in Ranchi, which acted as the selection trial to the quadrennial event. Day later, the throwers were given another chance in the form of an Indian Open meet in Ludhiana, in which 2 throwers qualified and returned with 2 medals from Glasgow.
Business. When public banks beat private banks, why it may not last? For the first time in years, BSBs have actually grown faster than private banks on some important measures. Public sector banks have had a genuinely good quarter. Their improved fee income, margin stability and cost discipline are real. But much of their profit growth came from releasing provisions, essentially using accounting flexibility rather than better business performance. Once that level stops working, we will see which banks truly have stronger operating foundations. Thank you. Stand at ease. Attention.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
School salute. Order. On the spot, Matema.